Unions in Brazil called for nationwide strike action in defense of human rights and life, faced with the economic and health crisis caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. According to workers from several states, the protests are motivated by various issues, including denouncing President Jair Bolsonaro's handling of the pandemic, which has led to the worst health crisis in the country's history, with hospitals on the verge of collapse. Unions have stressed that the Bolsonaro administration's dismissal of the seriousness of the pandemic has created a division between health, life and the economy that only harms the population. Several social movements have joined the protests and stressed the urgent need to act in the face of some 3,000 COVID-19 deaths per day. In the meantime, President Jair Bolsonaro announced the creation of a national committee to fight the COVID-19 pandemic that has resulted in a death toll of nearly 300,000 in Brazil. Bolsonaro stated that he set the first activities of the committee that will promote a task force between governors and mayors who have condemned the president for his mishandling of the crisis and lack of cooperation with state-level administrations. The head of state claimed that he defends life above all else, despite the fact that he's ignored expert advice on social distancing, the use of masks, and rejected the use of vaccination.
We resolved, among other things, that coordination with the governors will be established with the President of the Federal Senate. For our part, a committee will meet every week with authorities to decide or redirect the path of the fight against the coronavirus.